Welcome back, Wildcats. Welcome to your geometry class. This is Mr. Aquino again. We are going to discuss solving angle measures using algebra. Before we start, we'll have a review on special relationships of angles. Okay, two of which on these relationships we already discussed on our past lessons, which is your complementary and your supplementary angle. Again, when we say complementary angles, these are these angles. When we say complementary, so when you add the measurement of these two angles, they sum up with 90 degrees. Okay, they are right angle. So it's a right angle. So we discussed this on the previous topic that we have. Second is your supplementary. Your supplementary angle, two angles that when you add the angle measures, it will be equivalent to 180 degrees, which is the straight angle. Okay. All right. So there are three more relationships that I want to discuss. First is, this is a new to you guys, so I'm going to write it. So first is your linear pair. So below this video, you will see the full definition of this relationship, angle relationship. Your linear pair, these are angles that are formed when two straight lines, okay, two straight lines intersect. Okay, so when two straight lines intersect, they form a linear pair. Your linear pair is the same as your supplementary. Okay, example of linear pair. So if I have, let's say this is my line here, so I'll name this one as line M. And if a line intersect this line M, so let's say this one, line N. So line N. So your angle A, your angle A here is linear pair with angle B. So angle A is linear pair with angle B. Okay, and take note that the measurement of your linear pair is also 180 degrees. Okay, they are the same with supplementary angle. The only difference between the two is that your supplementary, it can be separate angles, but for linear pair, they must be adjacent. And I'm going to discuss to you the definition of adjacent later. Okay, that's your complementary, supplementary, and linear pair. Next word would be your vertical angle. Your vertical angle, I'm going to use a green color here. So your vertical, sorry, that's spelling, vertical angle. This is not the usual term vertical that is up and down. Your vertical angles, these are angles that are formed and that are opposite each other when two lines intersect. They are always equal. So vertical angles are always equal. When two lines intersect, okay, let us say this is line L, and another line is drawn and that intersect your line L, which is, I'll name this one as line R. Your vertical angle, these are angles that are opposite to each other. So what do we mean by opposite? So let us say I have here angle A is vertical to angle B. Okay, and angle C will be vertical to angle D. So the minimum number of vertical angle in two intersecting line is 4. Okay, so by definition of vertical angle, the measurement, okay, I want you to memorize this. The measurement of angle A is always equal to the measurement of angle B. Okay, so if angle A is 50 degrees, therefore angle B also 50 degrees. Again, by definition of vertical angles, angle A and angle B are equal. Same with the measurement of angle C is equal to the measurement of angle D. Okay, if this is C is equal to 100, therefore, if C is equal to 100 degrees, therefore D is also 100 degrees. If they will ask you why, by definition of vertical angle. Okay, that's vertical angle. Next, the last one that is very important is we have adjacent angle. Your adjacent angle, two angles are said to be adjacent when they have a common side, okay, and a common vertex, and they don't overlap. Okay, so example of adjacent angle. Let us say I have here an angle, and you get another angle here. So let us say this is angle A is adjacent to angle B. Why? Because again, they have a common vertex. This is the common vertex. I'll write that. Your common vertex. And they share common side. Where is that common side? It's here. This is your common side. Okay? That is what we call now your adjacent angle. All right? So the reason why I discussed this first before we go on solving the measurement of angle, it's because we'll be using this relationship in solving the given measurement. It is our foundation, okay? This is the basic, it is our foundation. So we can start solving your measurement of a given angle using algebra, all right? So let's proceed with solving measurement of angle using algebra, all right? Problem 1, angle ABC. So angle ABC is a right angle. Okay, that is our hint. It says there in the problem, ABC is a right angle. Therefore, if this is a right angle, automatically what will be the measurement? Right, 90 degrees. Therefore, that 90 degrees was divided into two angles, which is angle ABD and angle DBC. So the problem there is we have to find for the value of x so that we will have the measurement of this angle. So what will be the measurement of DBC? Okay, so our foundation And the hint on that problem is that the whole angle measures 90 degrees. Therefore, what should I do with the 50 and the x as given? Alright, so we have to do 50 plus, okay, 50 is the measurement, okay? 50 is the measurement of angle ABD is equal to 50. Okay, so I'll erase this first. Bear with me. So the measurement of ABD is 50. And the measurement of DBC is equal to x. Okay, and if I add these two angles, will give me 90 degrees. So I'll be adding them. The measurement of angle ABD plus the measurement of angle DBC is equal to 90 degrees. And then you just plug in the measurements. Okay, the measurements of ABD is 50 plus the measurement of DBC, which is that is given there, will be x, which is our unknown, is equal to 90 degrees. And then, of course, I'm going to isolate 50. So minus 50 both sides. Of course, this will be cancelled out. So the value of x is equal now to 40 degrees. Okay, so you can now say that the measurement of DBC is equal to 40 degrees. Okay, when you check, okay, so when you check your answer, checking, you add 50 plus 40. Is that equal to 90? Yes. So 90 is equal to 90. So you go back. So is my final answer correct? So you go back to the problem. So when I go back to the problem, it says there that the measurement of both angles is equivalent to 90 degrees because it's a right angle. Therefore, the measurement or the value of x and the measurement of DBC is equal to 40 degrees. Okay? All right, next problem. Figure ABC is a straight line. Again, it's our hint. It's there. It says there it's a straight line. Therefore, it can be a linear pair. Yes, they are linear pair. They are supplementary. Yes. And, you know, the word straight line means the measurement of the angle is what? Right, 180 degrees. Very good. So, when I add the measurement, okay, when I'm going to add the measurement of angle ABK plus the measurement of angle KBC, it's equivalent to 180 degrees. Mr. Where did you get that 180 degrees? It's there. It says there it's a straight line. Okay, so what is the measurement of ABK? ABK is x, so I'm going to put x there, plus the measurement of KBC. KBC is 24 degrees, is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to do subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 24 both sides, minus 24, minus 24. So of course this will be cancelled out. So my x, okay, not my ex-girlfriend, okay, so x is equal to 156 degrees. Therefore, the measurement of angle ABK is equal to 156. Sorry, that's not 155. It's 156 degrees. So if you go and check, okay, so when you do checking on your answer, so checking is 156 plus 24. Is that equal to 180? Yes, 180 is equivalent to 180. Therefore, our answer is right. Okay? So, your basis, when you say you have to use complementary, which is the 90 degrees, and 180, when you see right angle, you use 90. Or when you say supplementary, you have to use 180. Linear pair, it's 180. That's it. Okay? So next problem. There you go. Next problem is that given the measurement of angle 1, okay, it's here. The measurement of angle 1 is 3x plus 2. The measurement of angle 3 is 2x plus minus 7. Okay. First is, before we start, we need to take a look at the relationship of the given angle measurement. So immediately you will say, okay, this is a vertical angle because there are 4 angles there, and angle 3 is equivalent to angle 4, angle 1 is equivalent to angle 2. However, the given is not vertical angle. The given are angle 1, the measurement of angle 1, and the measurement of angle 3. Meaning these two are supplementary, or these two are linear pair. So we have to do the measurement of angle 1 plus the measurement of angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? So we have to use that because angle 1 and angle 3 are supplementary angles. The measurement of angle 1 is 3x plus 2 plus the measurement of angle 3, which is 2x minus 7, is equal to 180 degrees. That's why on the introduction of this lesson, I asked you to solve simple linear equation, because again, we'll be using that in here, and we are using it now. So combine like terms. It's an algebra lesson, combining like terms. So we have the like terms here. So 3x and 2x. Then we have the constant negative 7 and positive 2. So 3x plus 2x will give me 5x. Okay? And then we have 2 minus 7, which will give me negative 5. And then bring down 180. Okay? Did you get that? So I added 3 and 2, which is 5x. Positive 2 minus 7 will give me negative 5. I will add 5 both sides, which will give me 5x. Okay, 5x is equal to 185. Now, I only want the value of x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So you have to divide both sides of whatever number or whatever coefficient you have on your x. So if this is 6, divided by 6. If this is 2, divided by 2. But this one is 5, so I divide it by 5. So x is equal now to, what is 185 divided by 5? It's 37. Okay? So you would say, Mister, is that my final answer? It's the value of x? No. Our final answer is we're going to look for the measurement of every angle that we have there. Alright? So, what I'm going to do is plug in the value of x. Okay, I'm going to plug in this value of x to the given measurement of angle 1 and to the given measurement of angle 3. So the measurement of angle 1, I have to write it here. The measurement of angle 1 is equal to 3 times 37, the measurement, the value of x, sorry, plus 2. All right? So 3 times 37 will give me 3 times 37 will give me 111 plus 2. Therefore, the measurement of angle 1 is equal to 113 degrees. Okay? Now, because, okay, angle 1 is a vertical angle with angle 2. I'll repeat. Angle 1 is and angle 2 are vertical angles. Therefore, the measurement of angle 1 or angle 2, sorry, is equivalent to 113 degrees. I'll repeat. Angle 1 is a vertical, angle 1 and angle 2 are vertical angles. By definition of vertical angles, angle 1 now and angle 2 are equal, which is 113. Now let's proceed with the measurement of angle 3. The measurement of angle 3 is equal to 2 times 37, okay, minus 7. So 2 times 37 minus 7, therefore the measurement of angle 3 is equal now to 67 degrees. And angle 3, okay, based on the illustration, angle 3 and angle 4 are vertical angles. Therefore, angle 4 is also equal to 67 degrees. So if you go and check your answers, if you go and check 113 plus 67 is equal to 180 degrees. All right. Next problem. So I'll just erase this part. Next problem is, I want you to look at the illustration while I'm erasing this. We have two angles and we have to find the value of x and y. Right. Okay. Thank you. There you go. Find the value of x and y in the following figure. First is you have to take a look at the figure. I always advise you to do that. And then you have to ask yourself, what is the easiest variable to solve? So, what is the easiest variable to solve? And is there any relationship of these two variables? So those are the questions that you will be asking yourself. So, on this problem, given is we have angle ECB is 70 degrees, ECA is 2x plus y, and then we have ACD is 2x. All right, so your ECB and ACD, they are vertical angles. So this angle here, this angle is vertical to here. They are vertical angles. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to use that relationship that we have. Vertical angles are always congruent. So vertical angles are always congruent. So I'm going to do 2x is equal to 70. Okay. Mr. Why did you set up that way? It's because these two angles are congruent by virtue of the definition of vertical angles. So easy. We have to divide both sides by 2 to get the value of x. Alright, of course, the coefficient 2 will be cancelled. So x is equal now to 35. Okay, the value of x is equivalent to 35. Next is, we have the value of x, which is 35. So I'm going to get 2x plus y, okay, plus 70 is equal now to 180. Mr. Why did you put 180? Why is that your equation was set up that way? It's because 2x plus y and 70 are supplementary angles. Again, 2x plus y, this angle here, this angle is this angle, are supplementary angles. Therefore, if you add the measurement of these two, will give you 180 degrees. Okay? So let's find the value of y because we have the value of x. So I'm going to plug in the value of x. What's the value of x again? Good. It's 35 plus y plus 70 is equal to 180. Right? So 2 times 35, which is 70, plus y plus 70 is equal to 180. So 70 plus 70 will give you y plus 140 is equal to 180. Subtract 140 both sides. Change the color so you can see. So subtract 140 both sides. Subtract 140. So what will be the value of y? Write it here. Y is equal to 4t. Okay. The value of x and y in this problem is not the measurement of the angle, because if you go back to the question, it says there, just find the value of x and y. Therefore, if they will ask you what is the measurement of this angle, this will be 70. How about this? So 70 plus 40, which will be 110 degrees, right? So angle C is also 110 degrees, right? So that is how you solve the measurement of angles. Always remember that you have to take a look at the given on the problem. Look at the illustration if there are illustrations. Look at the relationship of each angle. Are they supplementary? Are they complementary? Are they linear pair? Are they vertical angles? I'll repeat, those are your foundation to set up your equation and do the computation based on the relationship that you see. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.